Hey, what's up guys? It's Steve again, and today we're going to get Docker working for us in 90 seconds. First things first, you'll want to go to the Docker website, hit the download button. It will take you to the right one for your operating system. This is for Windows, and just click download. We'll let it download. Open that downloaded file. For me, I've already installed it, so it's just going to upgrade it, but select options that you like. When it's done, you will be able to open Docker Desktop down in your little system tray. Here's what I have. I already have a few images running, but this is not where the action happens. Let's pop open PowerShell and get some stuff done for real. We are going to run docker pull Ubuntu latest to get the latest Ubuntu image downloaded to our machine. Now that we've pulled down the image, we can create a container with this image using this special command. Docker run-it, basically for terminal. So it's going to be right in this window, --remove, so it removes when we exit, name my-container, why not? We tell which image to use, Ubuntu latest, and then we want to run the bash program on that container. Once that's done, you can see we get a root shell on the container we just created, and it's Linux, so you can echo or do whatever you want. And that's all you need to do to get involved with Docker. Bonus tip, if you're on WSL and want to use the Docker server you just installed, echo this command into your bash RC file and run it. You may also want to reboot your computer to get this to work, but once you set Docker host, you should be able to access it from WSL. That's all for this tutorial. Thanks for tuning in.